When you throw a message in a bottle into the sea, have you ever wondered where would its final destination be? Or have you seen plastics with labels of other countries' origin laying around the beach, wondering where the source or where could it have come from? There have been many cases where human bodies were left stranded or rubbish waste are disposed but not knowing the destination of these floating bodies in the open seas. The best approach to this problem is by numerical means to predict where to find these floating bodies under the influence of tides and waves. Many researchers have studied the movement of floating bodies in a small scale, which takes a substantial amount of time, weeks or months, to generate the simulation results, while others have simulated floating plastics in very large open seas, where these floating plastics are treated as passive particles. In my research, I would be treating these floating objects as a particle, incorporating the physics of small-scale phenomenon using a finite element model. This includes the drag model and coefficients involving the translational, rotational, and buoyancy forces. These processes are often neglected in large open sea modeling. Incorporation of these forces enables a more accurate prediction of the transport of these floating bodies, but reduces the simulation time in comparison to detailed small-scale model. Besides, the model is also expected to predict different types of floating bodies, which means it is not only limited to only one kind of specific plastic debris, for example, but it will also be able to simulate and compare the movement of a dead body or a ship during a shipwreck. With the build-up of this model, we hope to assist in emergency response, especially in relation to coastal waters and open seas, predicting floating waves or floating bodies in shorter amount and period of time, and making this world a better place to live in. Thank you.